Welcome back to Pink's Garage. Pink here. Time for another long overdue episode. Sorry I've been away in China, and then when I get home, get kind of busy. So today I'm here to introduce you to the new project that will hopefully be up and running for next year's race season. And that is this here, 1983 Fox Body Mustang GT. Right next to it we have a 1985 Fox Body, another 4i. I'm just going to steal some parts off of this one. It's pretty gutted. Not much left in it. It doesn't even have an engine in it as of right now, so it's pretty empty. Just mostly a parts car. So I want to show you what's under the hood of this one for now. Got some parts on order already for this so that we can get the build going as soon as I possibly can, because I want to get one of these cars out of here as soon as possible, and going to be selling that car, trying to get rid of the Focus. It runs, but don't really have a need for it. So go ahead and, so the interior here, we got some interior. We're probably going to get rid of most of this because I'm going to cage it, and I think I'm going to take one of the seats out of the other car for now because they seem to be in a little bit better shape. But see some parts back here. We got some exhaust, all kinds of fun stuff, some extra valve covers. So kind of hard to look and see here. I don't have my GoPro, so we're not doing very good wide shots, but got an interior. Right now we've got a T5Z transmission, the world-class transmission, which probably going to eventually change that out to an automatic. Okay, looks like the hood's already pulled. So let's see what we got here. Okay, I'll sit y'all down for 1 second while I open this. Okay, so now what we have here is the engine, and what we got is a carbureted with an Edelbrock on it. I'm going to do a little rebuild on that. 302 engine with some, I think they are 69 351 heads on it. It currently has, if I'm not mistaken, it's got a comp cam in it, with the 218, so really light lobe. So one thing I'm waiting on right now is, if you see this belt right here, this belt that somebody put on, it's a little too close. It's actually rubbing. If I try and run an engine like that, all I'm going to do is rip that belt out. So I've got the power steering relocation bracket on its way to move the power steering pump up here. And once I get it up there, that'll pull the tensioner up some, and redirect, I'll just put on a slightly shorter belt. I'm going to have to move the ignition back over to here where it belongs. You know, a couple other things. I got a battery for it already. Got some different hosing on here, but that hosing is probably going to get replaced because I also have an electric fan. So I'm going to remove this fan here on the water pump. I got electric fans coming with a aluminum radiator to go in there, to upgrade that. Going to get rid of some stuff like the washer fluid because we're not going to need it. We're going to get rid of the washer wipers because we're not going to need them. This is going to be a non-road car. So anything I don't need, it's going to go away. Have the GT front end on this one from 83. I'm going to change it with this front end because personally I like this one better. I think it's in better shape and I like the look better. Anybody has any comments about that, just put them down in the comment section below, and you know, we can discuss. I'm also going to be changing the hatches. So it's funny that I have the key for this even though it wasn't given to me. One of my keys for this one fits that one. But I like the white hatch better. It's also got a little less rust on it on the inside. It's in a little bit better shape. So we're going to swap that hatch. And then this hatch will go away. So, you know, it's got the two different wings on them. I actually kind of like the white one better for looks. but later on down the road that may change for something else, because I want to make this a sub 10-second car. So we're going to clean it up, we're going to paint it eventually, figure out what color. Possibly going to change the rear bumper here with this rear bumper, and I'm changing the tail lights because I prefer this look of tail light right here. So this car's gutted out already. Got some mismatched seats in it, all that. I may change seats, I may not. That seat's got some mold on it, easy to clean off. But basically we're going to do the same thing to the other one as this one has done to it. We're going to gut it. It's going to be completely gutted, caged, and be a race car. So I'm not really caring about the looks. Right now, I think I'm going to stick with this hood for now, but eventually may move to a different hood. I may go to that hood. It's in a little bit better shape, but it doesn't have the cowl on it, and I kind of like the cowl. So y'all tell me what you think. For now, that's about what's going on. But this is the new project, and I'm hoping for good things. We've got these steel wheels, or these wheels down here, and then we've got these wheels. I think I'm going to stick with the wheels on the yellow car because they seem to be in a little bit better shape, and they just look better. They are small though, like a 14-inch, so this has got a 4-bolt on it still. I think we're running some 14-inch wheels, 4-bolt, which I haven't decided if I want to upgrade to the 5-bolt yet. It's a little bit of work, easy kit to get, but then this gas tank, that's coming out. It's going to be replaced with a fuel cell, which is already on order, that'll fit right in the wheel well. Cut a hole out in the bottom. Going to put in some stuff in the back to make it legal. Had to put up the wall, so we'll do all that. That's coming up. That's all going to be on the channel. Everything we do to this will be shown. Let's open this puppy up. It's actually got good risers on it that were replaced, so it actually holds itself up. The white one does not. So that's what we got going on there. But as you can see up here, we have, it's all rusted out up here. I don't know if we can focus on that, but it's all rusted out right in here and here. It's not that bad. The white one has rust right here, but it's not, I don't think it's nearly as bad, but we will see when we take it off and take it apart. If nothing else, I will probably take the spoiler off the white one and put it on the yellow one, and then get all new rubber trim. I haven't ordered that yet. That's coming. Gas tank, that's gonna go away, so we'll probably just get rid of that, or maybe weld it shut so that it's no longer present, because we're not gonna need it. But tell me what y'all think about the new project. I'm hoping to have a lot of fun with it. Hoping to make it into something fast, something we can have fun at the track with. If you want to put your comments down below, I'd appreciate it. So that's it. Latest episode of Pink's Garage. So if you wouldn't mind, give me a like, because it really actually helps the channel to get more views. And if you could subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Keep those motors running. This is Pink with Pink's Garage. Later.